In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Microsoft Excel. Keeping Microsoft Excel updated is important because updates can include security improvements, bug fixes, performance enhancements, and new features. If Excel is not running the latest available version, you may notice missing tools, unexpected errors, or differences between your version and the version shown in tutorials. The good news is that updating Excel is a simple process, and you can do it directly from inside the Excel application. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel launches, you may see the Start screen with different workbook templates. From here, click on Blank Workbook. This opens a fresh Excel spreadsheet, which gives you access to the full Excel interface and the main menu options. You do not need to type anything into the workbook or make any changes to the sheet. The blank workbook is only being used so you can reach the update settings. After the blank workbook opens, look at the top left corner of the Excel window. You should see the File tab. Click the File tab to open the Backstage menu. This menu is where Excel keeps many of its account, saving, sharing, printing, and program settings. It may look a little different from the normal spreadsheet view, but you are in the right place. Now look down the left sidebar in the File menu. Near the bottom of that sidebar, click Account. In some versions of Excel, this may be called Office Account instead. Both options lead to the same general area, so choose whichever one appears on your screen. This section shows information about your Microsoft Office installation, your signed-in account if applicable, and product details for the apps installed on your device. Once you are on the Account or Office Account page, look for the section labeled Product Information. This area usually displays the Microsoft Office product name and related details. Under Product Information, you should see a button called Update Options. This is the control that lets you manage how Office updates are handled. Click the Update Options button to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, click Update Now. This tells Microsoft Excel to check for available updates and begin the update process if a newer version is available. After you select Update Now, Excel may briefly search for updates. If updates are found, Office will handle the download and installation process. You may need to wait a few moments while it checks, and the update window may show progress as it works. It is a good idea to save any open work before updating, especially if you already had other Excel files open. Updates can sometimes require Office apps to close and reopen, so saving your work helps prevent losing any changes. If Excel or Office asks you to close applications during the update, follow the on-screen message so the update can finish properly. Once the process is complete, Excel should be updated to the latest available version for your Microsoft Office installation. If no update is available, Excel may simply tell you that you are already up to date. That means there is nothing else you need to do right now. And that is all there is to it. You have now learned how to update Microsoft Excel using the built-in update options inside the application.